Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Today, we're going to be looking at something that is really changing the game in business.
Yeah, it's huge.
We're talking about the combination of, robotic process automation, RPA, and AI, artificial intelligence.
Powerful combo.
Really powerful stuff. And we've got this great article by Abhinav Soharwal. He's a senior RPA business process consultant.
He knows his stuff.
Yeah. It's called RPA Meets AI, Unlocking Exponential Impact on Business Operations. And I got to say, that title, Exponential Impact, that really got me hooked.
It's a game changer.
Yeah, I think so. So before we jump in, I just want to set the stage a little bit. For anyone who's not super familiar, RPA, it's basically like having a digital worker who can do all those boring, repetitive tasks.
Think data entry, processing invoices, stuff nobody wants to do.
Exactly. It's all about automating those structured, rules-based tasks. Like imagine, you got a bot that can process 1,000 invoices overnight.
No coffee breaks, no complaints, just gets the job done.
Right. And that's already pretty amazing. But what if that bot could then also read those invoices and understand what they say?
And make decisions based on that information.
Yeah, that's where AI comes in.
Right.
And that's that's what makes this so powerful.
It's like taking RPA to a whole new level.
Absolutely. So this article, it really digs into how different types of AI are being used with RPA. You've got natural language processing, which helps RPA understand emails and contracts. You've got machine learning algorithms that can analyze patterns and predict things like customer churn or supply chain disruptions.
Yeah, you can really start to get ahead of the curve.
Totally. And I think, that's really where the exponential impact comes in. It's not just about adding AI to RPA. It's about how they work together. Right?
It's a synergy between them.
Exactly. And there's this really interesting graph in the article. It shows how Company X, they implemented AI-powered RPA for their customer onboarding process.
Yeah, they saw a massive improvement.
Like a 300% increase in processing efficiency.
Talk about efficiency.
It's incredible. So, this is obviously a really powerful combination. But, for people who are listening, where do we even start with this? How do we put this into practice?
Well, I think one of the most important things, and the article really stresses this, is to start small. Don't try to, do everything at once.
Right. Don't get overwhelmed.
Yeah, exactly. Instead, pick one process, maybe two, that are really good candidates for this kind of automation.
Processes that have a lot of data or need some decision making.
Right, exactly. Look for things that are, maybe a little bit more complex where AI can really add value.
Okay, so find a good pilot project, prove that it works, and then you can scale up from there.
Exactly. And don't forget, this isn't just about technology.
It's about people too, right?
Absolutely. You need your IT team, your operations folks, the business units. Everyone needs to be on board.
Working together.
Yeah.
And you need to invest in training. Make sure your team is comfortable working with these new systems.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, it's clear this is a total game changer, but it also requires a strategic approach, right? And you've got to be willing to change the way you do things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I want to leave you with a question. Think about the work you do every day. What processes could benefit from this kind of intelligent automation? What opportunities are out there just waiting to be unlocked?
That's a great question. Lots to think about.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
It was great to be here.
Until next time.